Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best spray paints for metal you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best spray paints for metal in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Rust-Oleum 250702 Rust Spray Paint. Rust-Oleum stops rust protective enamel paint is the No. 1 rust preventive paint available, provides lasting protection and beauty in a wide variety of colors and finishes. It features any angle technology that allows to spray hard to reach areas, even upside down, and a comfort tip with a wider finger pad to reduce fatigue caused by continuous spraying. Rust-Oleum is a long-time go-to brand for professionals and hobbyists alike. Its protective enamel spray is number 1 on our list for its versatility, ease of use, and resistance to rust. You can use this paint on interior and exterior metal objects after laying down a coat of primer, and its nozzle applies the paint evenly and with little effort. This paint isn't super fast drying, but the results will last a long time, especially if you seal it with a clear coat. For details, let's watch more. Our second best spray paints for metal is Krylon K02732007 Spray Paint. Krylon Black Spray Paint delivers best-in-class adhesion, durability and rust protection. This all-purpose spray paint bonds to difficult surfaces without sanding or priming, including plastic, wood, metal, PVC, tile and more. Whether your project is inside or out, this satin black spray paint offers maximum rust protection. Color changes everything from DIY projects to giving metal furniture a quick refresh. Black satin spray paint offers a modern, sleek finish to any project. Black is a classic color spray paint that should be kept on hand with DIY supplies and in a craft or tool kit. With the easy push big button spray tip, you can spray the paint and primer spray paint any way, even upside down. Dry to the touch in 20 minutes or less with no runs, no drips, no errors. 12 ounces can spray paint covers up to 25 square feet. We offer a wide selection of spray paint products to help restore, refresh and recolor any project. With Krylon, today we spray. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Krylon K05539007 ColorMax Spray Paint. Krylon ColorMax Spray Paint and Primer delivers premium coverage and superior color with adhesion and durability. This primer and spray paint can be used on wood, metal, wicker, most plastics, glass, plaster or ceramic and more. Whether your spray paint project is inside or outdoors, this gloss white spray paint offers rust protection for a variety of DIY and craft projects including craft foam, hard surfaces, paper mache, fabric and paper. Color changes everything from a furniture refresh to creative touch-up. This smoke gray color spray paint is a medium dark gray spray paint with a sleek, on-trend finish that stands out. The gloss finish has a shiny sheen. The easy push big button spray tip on this all-purpose spray paint can help you spray any way, even upside down. Dry to the touch in 20 minutes or less for fast coverage to get projects done. 12 ounces can spray paint covers up to 25 square feet. It's a must-have all-purpose spray paint to keep on hand with DIY supplies or in any craft, art or tool kit. This fast-dry spray paint delivers adhesion, durability and rust protection, and can be used for a wide variety of indoor and outdoor projects for new color or touch-up. A good fit for any surface spray paint, it offers adhesion on a variety of surfaces, including wood, metal, wicker, most plastics, paper mache, glass, plaster, ceramic, fabric and paper. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Rust-Oleum 249115 Pack Paint. Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover uses double cover technology to enhance the quality and speed of any project. Durable spray paint provides a finish that is smooth and fast drying. Suitable for use on surfaces such as wood, plastic, metal, wicker. 2X Ultra Cover adds color and interest to furniture, home decor, crafts and more. Ideal for use on exterior surfaces including wood, plastic, plaster, metal, masonry and unglazed ceramic. Oil-based formula is low odor, resists chips and provides long-lasting protection. Dries to touch in 20 minutes and covers up to 12 square feet per can. Durable formula provides excellent hide and goes on smoothly. Gloss finish provides a fresh, new look for surfaces. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best spray paints for metal list is Rust-Oleum 285217 Spray Paint. Rust-Oleum roof accessory paint creates weather-resistant, sturdy finish that can be applied to exterior roof accessories including stacks, vents and other roof penetrations. The unique oil-based, rust-resistant formula protects and complements a variety of roof accessories while it resists fading and chipping. Apply to multiple surfaces including wood, metal, masonry, plastic and more. Exterior use on wood, metal, masonry and plastic to complement a variety of roof accessories. Stops rust oil-based formula designed to resist chipping and weathering provides superior coverage and hide. Dries to the touch in 20 minutes and covers up to 12 square feet, allowing projects to be completed quickly.